In this video, I will talk about a new feature called LiveView. So at the moment of the video, we are still in preview. We are in October 2024. And the aim of LiveView is to allow you to get basic metadata when you a new resource. A new resource is created in your environment. So today we support these data sources, Azure Storage Gen 2, Microsoft Fabrics, and of course Azure SQL database. And when you create any artifact or table on storage account, it will be automatically added in your data catalog. But I think the best thing is to show you that in action. So let's switch to Microsoft Purview Data Catalog. Here, this is the data map. And in the previous videos, I show you how to create domains, collections, sub-collections. I also created the lineage connection to Azure Data Factory, but I didn't create any data sources, and I did not register data sources and perform a scan. So today, no scan is done. But if I switch to data catalog and go on discovery on data asset, you can explore the data. So for instance, if I go here in browse by source type, I can, for instance, go here in my Azure SQL database. You can see two databases here, one with this identifier and one with this form of identifier. Actually, this one is the LiveView. So it means that if I click on it, I will get the basic information here of my database. And it will be the same thing, for instance, if I go on my storage Gen 2. So for instance, I go on this one, and I can see, so I've got a container called Unity, but nothing more. If I go here, back again, and go on this one, I can see some, now I've got two containers, so I can click on one of them, and I can see a basic information, and it's the same here. What you can do, if you want to extend this permission, you can enable the LiveView to extend this permission, and to send the LiveView in the specific domain and in the specific collection, especially if you want to share the basic metadata with other users. So if I go back here and have a look on the database, so here I've got two databases, and I will create a new one and show you the result here in the few minutes. So if I go in my Azure portal, so I will create a new database with a sample model, and let's see what will happen in Microsoft Purview Data Catalog. So here, quickly, I will create a new Azure SQL database. So this is the name of the database that I will create in a few minutes. And here in additional settings, I use sample data just to show you the impact in the data catalog. And now I am good, I think, so I click on review and create the database. So now the database is created, and let's see the result in the LiveView within Microsoft Purview Data Catalog. So let's switch back to Microsoft Purview Data Catalog, and here go back to Data Catalog solution, data asset, and go back here in Microsoft Azure. Go back to the database, and here, boom, we've got the database that we just created a few minutes ago. And if I click on it, I will be able to see basic information about schema. And if I go on the sales LT schema, go on tables, I can see the table information right there. And for instance, I click on product, I will get the basic metadata like here, the hierarchy, basic property, schema, and of course, I will have to add contact on history, but I will talk about that later in another video. So this is what we can do with the LiveView, and of course, it works also with Microsoft Fabric. So each time you create a new artifact in Fabric, so you will get it. It could be a lake house, for instance. So today we can see information at the artifact. We plan to have the sub artifact view later this year. What we can do too, you can also browse by report, dataset, semantic models, and you can have this kind of information without perform any scanning. So this is what can do LiveView in Microsoft Purview Data Catalog.